What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. And yeah, today we're gonna put ads in my game, in our game, I guess. Which game you're putting in? So yeah, guys, I just want you to subscribe to the channel if you're new, like and share the videos. We need that fan base, guys. We need your subscribe. I need your subscribers. I just need your subscribers. So yeah, guys. So yeah, let's just start. How to add ads in our video. So let's point out some few things first. Let's go in game setting, and this is the latest version for gdevelop. So you're gonna go into the properties, and you're gonna want to change your game name, um, this the package name as well, and we're gonna need this as well. So yeah, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel again if you're new, and yeah. So first we're gonna open up our Chrome here browser and just go into add mod, Google add mod. Yeah, if you Google or just go and add mod, and we're going to go in apps here. You're gonna need to go in apps and just let's say add up. So have you published your app on Google Play Store, App Store? No. So yeah. So let's get a name. So we're gonna go back into gdevelop and just get a name for this project. What are we gonna name, guys? Sorry about that. Game name. What should we call it? V. I'm just gonna call this V materials. Pretty wide name, but yeah, that's what we use in here. V materials, and just apply. So we're gonna go back here and just call this V. Oh wait, let's do something here. When gdevelop properties, take off this. Let's call it V material. Apply, and let's open up Chrome V materials. Let's see how I suppose here. I should put this in a capital as it's because it's in a capital in this too. And just say is it Android game or iOS game? I'm just gonna put Android and just say add. So now we're gonna copy this here, which you're gonna need to put in the other part. You're gonna understand, guys. I'm gonna show you. So it's gonna press here to cut this to copy that, and just press and just go into gdevelop and go back in properties and just go down here and paste, and you're gonna apply and go back here, create an add unit. So now we're gonna go in back in gdevelop and go into our menu. I'm just gonna create a group and call this ads and just say at the beginning of the scene here, banner, load banner, and say display unload complete. Or say hold this and and just do that. So um just do this, and yeah. So after that is there after the beginning scene and load banner, yes for at the top, yes for sure. Wait, yeah. Let's not move these down here then, if they don't show up top. Down here, just move these down here. Alright, guys. So after you have created load banner at the top, yes, and after you've created this, we're gonna show you more about this. So we're gonna click on banner because we are using a banner. So we're using a better ads, I guess you can say in that way. Don't use none of the no reward video, no native advanced, none of those. We're using a banner here. It's a rectangle ad that occurs on a portion of the app layout, can be refreshed automatically after a period of time. So yeah, we're using this and add unit name. So this we have to go back into gdevelop, and this is something that we have to take out of gdevelop this time. So we're using this part here. So we have to go delete this. I think we have to take off this. Like we have to add the game name. So we're gonna say like the materials, I guess. See what it says a capital one. Materials. Let's put this. And let's put this or let's put something there, or G D D, anything you want to put, or G D D, anything, but don't make sure it's not space out and all those stuff. So we're gonna copy this now. Just apply, and let's carry this over to our ad and just paste and create ad unit. Now what we're gonna do now is copy this one, I think. So you're gonna copy this and go in here and place it, and just create two of these and just paste. Press apply. It's not gonna work. You have to go extract your game after and press done, and then there it is created. And what you gotta do now is have to go extract the game, and it maybe takes some few times, it may takes a few days before it works, but it will alert you guys. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're new, just subscribe. And yeah guys, I'm out. Don't forget.